Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll show you a little easy and quick fingerstyle arrangement of In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry. I'll first show you what we are going to do, and after that I'll explain. So let's go. And again. Alright, let's see how to do that. So I'm starting with a little bar here on the third fret of the A and E string. Okay, but I'm avoiding the A string at first, and then with a hammer on the E string fifth, like this. Okay, and then I hit the A string. I'm playing all the strings and then I'm muting them, and then once again just the A string. Okay, and then on the E string I'm doing 5-3, 5-3, and here there is a little cool element that you can skip if it's too hard for you, but I think it sounds amazing. On the C string from third to fourth, and then again grabbing the same way the C chord. Okay, so let's see what we have so far. Again the same. All right, and after that we go to F, but we grab first D minor, and then we remove the ring finger. Okay, and after that on the C string we are doing 2-4, 2 open, 2 open, 2, and get back to C. Okay, and the last thing we have is G, but before that we are preparing like that. We're just holding on the C string second fret, then E string open, and then grab the G chord. G chord mute up. Okay, and after that again F, the same thing, D minor first. I'm doing da 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 da, and after that C, and you just kind of keep on repeating this. Alright, so that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.